I feel like a big problem with comprehension skills on this application is people are so quick to assume they know what someone meant instead of just asking. Like, do you know how many scandals I wouldn't have had if someone just asked what I meant by something? Like, instead of being like, are you saying this? People say, so you're saying this. And it's just like, you understand, like, that's just so unnecessary. And even beyond that, right? Like, sometimes you are just going to make an assumption. It's human nature. Sometimes that assumption, though, is wrong. And people just cannot admit when their assumptions are wrong. Like, you know, the pancakes and waffles thing where someone says, I love pancakes. And then someone's like, oh, you must hate waffles. And it's like, that's just not what that means. Not only do people do that, it's like if I said I love pancakes and they said, so you hate waffles? I was like, no, actually, I love waffles a lot. Like, that wasn't what I was saying. They're going to be like, no, you hate waffles. You said it in this video. And I'm like, no, I actually didn't say that. And in those situations, it's so confusing because it's like, what would I have to gain from pretending that I didn't hate waffles? Like, if that was genuinely what I was saying in the video, why would I now be telling you something different? It's okay to just be like, oh, my bad, I misunderstood. And bro, that's why I feel like it was hard for me for a long time on here, which people probably didn't notice. But like when I first started, I would get so upset because I love being understood. Like, that's one of my favorite things. And in that, I actually hate being misunderstood. So I get really frustrated trying to explain to people like, no, like, this is what I meant, da 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 da. But then I forgot when it was, but one day I realized I was like, oh, like, they're just going to do this forever. Like, they're never going to accept what I actually meant. And then the crazy thing is, on top of that, I then get held accountable for the fact that people misunderstood. Like, even when people do acknowledge that there was a misunderstanding. Like, people hit me with the, oh, well, you said it like this and you shouldn't have used this word and da da. I'm like, bro, come on. Like, what do you want me to do? Like I would, oh my gosh, one day I would love, even if it's not me, I would love for someone to get into hot water over making a video and then make a follow-up video being like, oh, you guys misunderstood this. Like, this is actually what happened. This is actually what I meant. Da, 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 da. And then everyone be like, oh, okay, cool. And then just move on. I would love to see that happen. But the internet most likely will never.